Right, guys, thank you for joining with EduNations with another video episode. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create signature and create PDF using Adobe software. So when we are speaking about Adobe software, which providing a lot of option, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and there will be a lot of multi option which is providing through the Adobe software. So first of all, you need to type adobe.com on your searching browser, and you can find this link, or else I will be available. I'll put this relevant link into the my bio. So once you are successful log into the Adobe's main page, the interface will be look like this. So they will be mentioning their business option, education option, resources, and how to create account and support services, and the options that they're providing under the top. But there will be several tabs: creativity and design, PDF and e-signatures, and marketing and commerce, help and support. So when I select creativity and design, and which again provide a lot of options. So here are some of features: product, Photoshop, Lightroom, Illustrator, Premiere Pro, special for the video editing and production, and likewise. So when clicking the PDF and e-signatures, they will be providing the solutions that they have, resources. So under that, I'm selecting these online tools. This is the discussion topic today. So yeah, once you're clicking the tools, you will be directed to the interface. So creating free account using your Adobe, or you can use your Google, or if you're an iPhone user, you can continue with your Apple account used for the signing. And once you go down a little bit, uh, there'll be a lot of options. Convert your PDF, convert your PDF to JPEG, edit your PDF, compress PDF, rotate PDF pages, delete PDF pages, and you can reorder PDF pages, and you can fill, and you can put your e-signature. Special this option will specially will be benefited to those who are working on remotely, because usually when you're in the office, you need to write manually sign and put your the sign in part. But in this option, they will providing you can put your signature, and you can use this as an e-signature. So then you can save many of uh, the manual whatever the pages or the cost which occurring. So you can uh, save it. You can by using this option, you can save the millions of the money to your organization or yourself. That's how it goes, right? And apart from that, there will be another options: PDF tool, also PDF to Word, PDF to JPG, and Excel to PDF, PowerPoint to PDF, and edit PDFs, split, reorder, extract, insert, fill and sign, request signature, and protect PDF. These are the options that they are providing. So what I'm going to do is, using this Adobe software, I need to convert one of my PDF. Uh, Convert PDF the word page. So I'm clicking this. Once I'm clicking in this, it is directing to this kind of interface. I'm selecting file. See here, I have created sample document by using Word. I'm open this, and so my PDF is ready. I need to download. Once I click in download, right, it is downloading my downloads option. So I'm saving it, and here I can see I can use this sample option. So this is the one option which I have, which I need to teach you guys. So another option, what is another option? I need to insert my signature to the documents which I have downloaded. So what you have to do is open up the created PDF, and here under the Adobe Acrobat Reader, which provide these opportunities. uh, on the top corner you will be find this signed document by typing no. A signed document by typing no, drawing signature. So I need to insert my signature. I'm clicking this option. So yeah, here I have already inserted the predefined the signatures. This is benefit my day-to-day life, and I need to show you how to create e-signature. So request I'm selecting request e-signature. So here I'm selecting new file using add signature. Add signature is either you can type your name or whatever the signature you are using all the time. You can use that as well. For an example, I'm mentioning John. So either you can type it through the Acrobat, or else you can draw it here, or else if you have already take the screenshot of this your signature to the normal Word document, and through that you need to connect to the PDF, and through that you can save it to add this as image to your file. So soon after doing that, you can apply for this. Apply this, and here the the signature will be creating like this. You can paste it to anywhere of the Acrobat reader, Acrobat this PDF document, and you can use the save as option. So hope you will understand this basic scenario by using this how to create the PDF document, and through that how you can add your signature. So these are the small tips which I need to share, because this is really important for these days, especially the people who are work from home. So hope you will get the understand on how to create PDF, and through that how to create signature. And hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, clarification, or what's your genuine idea about this video, please put it in the comment section, then I can get back to you. So hope you hope you guys hope to see you guys in another video. So until that, keep in touch with my Edunations YouTube channel. Thank you.